Hello everyone, today is Tablescape Tuesday. Is it really? Well, today I'm doing something just a little bit different, and I'm going to be sharing with you vignettes with interchangeable decor. And I'm going to be using items that will be interchangeable, giving each style a different look. And the purpose of these vignettes are not just for coffee tables, but for kitchen countertops, kitchen islands, nightstands, dressers, or even a tablescape. So everyone, I will be sharing with you 4 different styles. And so if you'd like to see these creations, stay tuned. So everyone, this is the tray that I'm going to be using throughout the video. It is a light gray colored with acrylic and silver handles. And I purchased this tray from Z Gallery. And so I'm going to be using this tray to make the 4 styles. And let's see what we come up with. So let's get started. And just so you know, I did not go out to buy anything extra. I just used what I had in the house, okay? So whatever I had, this is what we're working with on today. didn't quite like that look, so I'm going to change it up. So everyone, I really enjoyed creating each style and hope that you have enjoyed watching. If so, don't forget to share, give me a thumbs up, And most of all, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. And just as a reminder, I just wanted to let you know that I'm co-hosting an open collaboration with the lovely Shelly of Pretty Inspired Decor and our gracious host, Paulette from Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living, and we are decorating our fireplace mantles. And this again is an open invitation, and the title is Summer Mantle 2021. We will be uploading our videos on May the 14th at 9 a.m. in the morning. That's May 14th at 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there, and I will have my mantle decorated, ready to share it with you all. So have a great day, everyone.